guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fly a bird. Just joking. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a gecko. First, draw a circle on your paper. Second, draw a rainbow line. Next, draw a circle and add one line, another line, and then do it there, and then here, and then push it out to make another leg. And next, draw another circle. Today's like the circle day. Now let's draw 5 and draw one line and put it down and go there. Next, let's draw the body. So, good. Yeah, good. See? And there. Good. Now let's start erasing. Yes. I'm going to take another eraser. Erasing. Woohoo. Erasing. Woohoo. Really silly, isn't it? Yeah. Good. Perfect. Now let's draw a tail. Woohoo, there's my tail. Now let's draw the legs. I'm not going to joke anymore. Or maybe I will. Let's find out in the next video. Oof, I draw a tree. And now on the other side. And let's do it on the other side. And also click the notification button and subscribe to my channel. Oh, we just forgot. We have to draw the eye.